Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Envato Elements for UI kits and brand components step by step clearly. Visit the Envato Elements website by typing the URL in your browser's address bar. Once the page has loaded, locate the Join Envato Elements button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Join button to proceed to the registration page. If you already have an account, select the Login option instead. For new users, fill out the registration form with your email address and create a password. You can also choose to sign up using your Google account for quicker access. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Next, you will be directed to a page that outlines the subscription plans available. Review the different subscription options available to find one that suits your needs. Once you've selected a plan, click on the Get Started button. You may be prompted to provide payment information if you haven't done so yet. Enter your credit card details or choose an alternative payment method provided, such as PayPal. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your subscription. Check your email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the Envato Elements website and log in. You can now access a vast library of UI kits and brand components. Use the search bar to find specific items or browse through the categories for inspiration. Select any UI kit or brand component to view more details and download options. After finding what you need, click on the Download button to save the files to your device. Congratulations, you are now ready to use Envato Elements for your design projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.